What's up everybody, Automob Media here, and in today's video, we're back on Gran Turismo 7 for a custom build. And for this build, I've selected a C5 Corvette. For this build, we're going to stick with the stock engine and go from there. So let's head over to GT Auto and get our widebody installed. And now for some wheels. After our wheels are set up, it's time to apply the rest of the exterior mods. We're going to need all the downforce we can get with this rear-wheel drive monster, so let's get a full body kit set up. Moving on to the performance mods. After everything's installed, we're looking at 904 horsepower with 657 foot-pounds of torque. And the car's weighing in just under 2,600 pounds. Let's start it up. Let's see how this C5 stacks up against the competition. The last rear-wheel drive car was a little bit tough to handle. Let's see if the added downforce on this C5 will help us. A competitive lap, no doubt. Let's see the replay from the driver's point of view. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. After that run, the Corvette sits in second place, 0.4 seconds ahead of the Subaru Impreza. If you enjoyed this build and this type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and comment below what car you would like to see built next. That'll do it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.